Hello children, Sujata Miss is here with another video for class 10 ICSE board, and in this video let me discuss retreating southwest monsoon and the northeast monsoon. The retreating southwest monsoon is during the months of October and November. The sun appears to move towards south. So since sun is moving towards south, the temperature over the land decreases. So the low pressure that was over the land, it weakens down and changes into high pressure, and gradually low pressure develop over the sea. The southwest monsoon, it starts retreating from northeast to southwest. So children, what happens? Over the land, high pressure is developing, and over the sea, low pressure is developing. So this southwest monsoon, now it will start pushing back. It will retreat. And what is its direction? From northeast to southwest. And because of this shift of pressure conditions, cyclonic depression originate over the Andaman Sea. Cyclonic depression or tropical cyclone. These cyclonic depression, it causes heavy and destructive rainfall in the Coromandel coast of India. Retreating monsoon picks up, or the retreating monsoon winds pick up moisture from Bay of Bengal while crossing over it, and it drops moisture in the coastal region of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. So children, retreating southwest monsoon, what is the duration? October, November. And gradually high pressure is developing over land, low pressure is developing over the water bodies. So southwest monsoon is retreating, and what is its direction? From northeast to southwest. And because of this change in the pressure conditions, tropical cyclones develop. It originates from Andaman Sea and hits the Coromandel coast. Moreover, this retreating monsoon, as it blows over Bay of Bengal, it absorbs moisture and drops rainfall in the Coromandel coast. The states affected are Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa. This retreating monsoon, during this time, the sky remains very clear. Now remember, there is high humidity and also high temperature. Now because of high humidity and high temperature, we have a very oppressive sultry weather condition, and that is known as October heat. Very common question. What is October heat? October heat is the oppressive sultry weather condition that we have in month of October. And suppose they ask you why, it is because of high humidity and high temperature. Now children, our next season is northeast monsoon winds. Now northeast monsoon winds, again children, remember the extension from December to February. Now sky remains clear, low humidity, low temperature, gentle cold winds blow. January is the coldest month. High pressure develops over land, low pressure over sea. And since high pressure is over the land, low pressure is over the sea, thus we have offshore winds blowing, and these offshore winds are blowing from northeast to southwest, and this is known as northeast monsoon winds. These northeast winds, monsoon winds, they are offshore winds. So most of India remains dry. Two areas get rainfall. The northeast monsoon winds, these are dry offshore winds, but when it blows over Bay of Bengal, it absorbs moisture from Bay of Bengal and drops moisture over Coromandel coast. This rainfall is very helpful for rice cultivation in Tamil Nadu. And another area that gets rainfall is northwestern part of India. It gets rainfall from temperate disturbance. Temperate disturbance, from where do they originate? From Mediterranean Sea. These temperate disturbances is also known as temperate cyclone. This rainfall is of course very beneficial for the cultivation of wheat and other rabi crops. It mainly benefits the states of Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Suppose a question comes, two friends are there and both of them in month of January, one went to, suppose Ram went to Punjab and Hari is in Chennai. And both the friends are having rainfall in winter, that is in the month of January. So Ram is in Punjab. So what will be the source of rainfall for Ram? It is western disturbances or temperate cyclones that originate from the Mediterranean Sea. And how are the farmers benefited? For the cultivation of wheat and other rabi crops. Now Hari, remember, he is in Chennai. So this place is also getting rainfall in winter. But what is the source? The source is northeast monsoon winds which pick up moisture from Bay of Bengal and drop rainfall in the Coromandel coast. Now here the farmers are beneficial because it helps in cultivation of rice. Okay. Now difference between this tropical cyclone and temperate cyclone. Tropical cyclone, it is smaller in size, shape more or less circular. Whereas temperate cyclone, it is bigger in size, more or less oval in shapes. More or less oval in shape. Okay. Achha, next point is tropical cyclone very destructive. Temperate cyclone beneficial for rabi crops. Tropical cyclone, it affects a small area, that is Coromandel coast. Whereas temperate cyclone affects a large area, especially the whole northwestern part of India. And here is one map here, children. Now in this map you can see we have got two areas getting rainfall in winter. One getting rainfall from western disturbances that originates from the Mediterranean Sea and it is hitting this northwestern part of India. And other, you can see this northeast south wind is blowing. As long as it is over the land, it is dry. But moment it crosses over Bay of Bengal, it will absorb moisture. And then when it hits the Coromandel coast, this area gets rainfall. Okay. So children, I will just tell you one thing that you can see very clearly that southwest, you can even think, you can even find out by yourself. If we think about these three winds, southwest monsoon, retreating monsoon and northeast monsoon. Now, southwest monsoon, which month? June to September. Retreating monsoon, October, November. Whereas northeast monsoon is December to February. Southwest monsoon, what is its direction? Southwest. Whereas retreating monsoon and northeast monsoon, the direction is northeast. Southwest monsoon, we all know that it is onshore wind and therefore brings heavy rainfall to almost whole parts of India. Whereas retreating monsoon and northeast monsoon, they both blow from land to sea. Retreating monsoon, it brings rainfall in the Coromandel coast. Here there is a change of pressure conditions, humidity remains high, temperature remains high, tropical cyclones originate and it affects the Coromandel coast. Whereas northeast monsoon, when it blows, again it is an offshore wind, sky is very clear, low temperature, low humidity, but when it crosses over Bay of Bengal, it picks up moisture and brings rainfall to the Coromandel coast. Southwest monsoon is very beneficial for agriculture all over India. Retreating monsoon is of course harmful, but northeast monsoon is again beneficial for rice cultivation in Tamil Nadu. These kind of deduction, children, you have to start learning as you learn the chapter, because this helps in doing conceptual questions. Thank you, children. Children, in my next video, I will give you a worksheet based on this chapter. You take your time, you solve the worksheets, and I will give you some time, and then after few days maybe I will upload the answer. Thank you, children.